I remember at that point she was using a lot of makeup, constantly shooting. She's having basic acne breakouts.
This was how many years back or how many
I
months
think
back?
a year or a year and a half
हाँ,
back. And at that point, she just said, कि acne हो रहा है and these are my concerns. And we'd not even met in the clinic or anything at that point. And with whatever understanding of her skin knowledge and medical history that I had, we just had this brief conversation. I just told her, he just felt like, okay, this is something सब कर रहे हैं,
हाँ,
तो मुझे
मैं भी आ
कर-
जाता हूँ.
That's Elvish. I was telling me you're shooting for Laughter Chef. तो रात भर तक shoots चल रहे हैं. तो next day आप थोड़े tired लगते हो. So what are the things, the supplements that you need to take? So I did tell him that, you know, this is the collagen, this is the vitamin C. You can introduce these things in your routine, you know, and this will possibly give you that little energy, that boost. वो skin में थोड़ी और जान डालेंगे, and we're you know, like preparing your skin for all the adversities.
क्या ये सब चीज़ों का कभी-कभी साइड इफेक्ट भी हो सकता है? And it's not just about Elvish, anybody.
Yeah, whenever you're taking something like an Ozempic or Manjaro or any of these weight loss injections, XYZ, a very important aspect for every person is their medical history, their existing medical conditions, and the let's say the presence of an expert. Movies don't stop. Your shoots don't stop. What is essential to happen has to happen. That was the time I was treating a lot of patients at my house. I created a small space and I was doing it. I keep the clinic on till 12 a.m. in the night sometimes because they do not want to be papped and they want to come in at those times that they are not very out there and not very visible, that you have crossed the age of 35 but you want to play a character where you're like just out of college or 28 or a 29-year-old, then we need to soften the features. So we will play with a little bit of Botox on your upper forehead so that you're not going to have a lot of lines while you're emoting. We will soften your chin portion and make you look slightly more soft on screen and more boyish comparatively to a more manly appearance. Similarly for women, right? Like sometimes we need to kind of give them a very whitewashed look in which too much of lines and wrinkles and these things are not happening. You're more lifted, a little bit of lip filler, because when you are slightly more younger, your lips will be slightly more thicker in dimension. When you age, after the age of 32, the lips start moving inwards. So when you're smiling, your smile will not have that much prominence in the lip shape, which makes you look older on screen. Hi, this is Dr. Ashna Kanchwala. I'm an aesthetic physician and the owner and founder of the clinic named Aesthetic Clinic, which is located in Bandra and Khar. You're currently watching me on Shubhajit's YouTube channel. We had a really engaging and a really nice conversation today. We spoke about celebrities, a lot of myths, tips for the hair, for the skin, and you should continuously keep watching this space and have a good time and learn a lot with him.
With her as well. And मैं तो अलग-अलग subjects लेके आता ही हूँ. Thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe. मेरे दोस्तों, आज हमारे साथ यहाँ पे मौजूद है somebody who actually knows inside out when it comes to beauty standards, what needs to be done, what should not be done, etc. And most importantly, the friend, philosopher and guide to not just people outside the entertainment industry but also within the entertainment industry. I have with me today Dr. Ashna Kanchwala. She's a very specialized, renowned cosmetologist, and with all the years of experience that she brings to the table, आज हमारे साथ कुछ interesting कहानियाँ share करेगी about her experiences with different forms of client, with different artists, etc. First of all, thank you so much. You're looking like you're totally defining the fact that आप cosmetologist हो.
Thank you.
जिस
Thank
तरीके
you.
से एकदम presentable होके आप आए हो
आपने
यार.
इतना अच्छा introduction दिया है. Thank you so much.
Yeah, my pleasure it is. And I want to understand, like, एक basic लोगों को जो cosmetologist word सुनते हैं, right?
जी.
They feel that it is about stuff related to enhancement of the skin or hair, how to make certain things better. But immediately इसका एक unfortunately negative connotation भी आता है where they feel कि people only want to go to a cosmetologist when they're perhaps not internally happy with what they naturally have. कुछ कुछ लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि आप cosmetologist के पास तभी जाते हो
जी।
जब आप शायद जो आपका natural है, you want to get things done surgically etc. लोगों का एक perception ये भी है.
जी।
हालांकि I know for a fact that that's not the truth, right? But I would love you to share a bit of light on this matter.
No, so basically there are a lot of myths associated to the profession I am in, right? Like because people see people on screen, they feel that they were looking a certain way at certain point in their life, and now they don't look like that, and that creates fear also in many people. It also creates excitement in many people because they want to look like them. They really like them on screen. They love how they look, and that's what they're chasing. So whenever it comes to our profession, there are a lot of myths and there are also a lot of facts. The other side to look at it is that अभी हम Instagram की दुनिया में रहते हैं, हम
Correct.
इतने सारे चीज़ें देखते हैं, तो काफ़ी लोगों को, even the youth has the understanding that even if you don't have a concern, there's a lot of buzz about preventative medicine in today's time, right? तो सब लोग को जब इतनी awareness है because of social media, उन्हें ये पता है कि अगर मैं अभी अपनी स्किन का ध्यान नहीं दूंगी तो 10 साल बाद मेरी स्किन ऐसी हो जाएगी. And that's why they come to us that, you know, we do not have any concern right now, doctor, but what can we do that we do not develop any concerns in the future?
Correct.
So that is what it is about, you know.
मतलब prevention is better than cure, वही वाला फंडा basically.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And I think that is how it should always be. अगर knowledge है, expertise है, experience है, then why not go to the right individuals and
Correct.
take the right necessary measures
Correct.
beforehand,
And
right?
it's very essential to do that as well, right? Because the lifestyle that we're living in today's time,
Correct.
we're aging faster than what our ancestors aged, even faster than what our grandparents aged. And this is the bitter reality of the life we're all living. So people have that knowledge, they have that understanding, and that's what they are, you know, kind of chasing right now, that they want to be more aware about their looks, they want to be more aware about their skin, about their hair.
Correct.
Even if they feel that they look good today, they understand and have the knowledge that aging is inevitable, it will happen.
Permanent नहीं है वो चीज़.
परमानेंट नहीं है, तो हमें जो करना है उसे और लाइक खुद को खुद जवान रखने फॉर अ लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन, वो हम करेंगे. या दैट्स अबाउट इट.
करेक्ट. मुझे एक चीज़ बताइए, आपने ये जिस चीज़ कहा कि इंस्टाग्राम का ज़माना है, सोशल मीडिया का ज़माना है, लोग सर्टन ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड्स को ऑन स्क्रीन लोगों के को देख के दे मेक इट इन देयर माइंड की परफेक्शन शायद यही होता है. एनीथिंग बिलो दैट मे बी आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम और मे बी आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ. एक सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत बुरे लेवल पे हिट होता है, राइट? एंड देन you know the ground reality that maybe a lot of actors or artists जिन लोग के साथ आप शायद काम करते हो, they come to you with the similar concerns जो शायद इन लोगों को पता भी नहीं है कि actors या artists के साथ भी होता है, right? Tell me about some of the concerns, the grave concerns. जैसे if I tell about her introduction, she has worked with various other artists जैसे जन्नत जुबैर हो गई, एलविश यादव, वैली गोनी, जैस्मिन भसीन, various other names. हम आएंगे उन पे भी. But what are some of the concerns that एक कॉमन फैक्ट है जो इन सब का, जो मैंने नाम लिए, इन सब का एक दो तीन जो चीज़ है जो उनका मेन कंसर्न था?
आपने इन सब का नाम लिया. आई वुड जस्ट से दैट सबके कंसर्न्स एक्चुअली सेम होते हैं. एवरीवनस ह्यूमन, everyone's living
Correct.
a lifestyle
Correct.
where their skin and hair deteriorates. स्किन की बात करिए तो सिर्फ सेलिब्रिटीज़ नहीं, इवन नॉर्मल पीपल हु आर नॉट सेलिब्रिटीज़, दे आर इन द कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड, और इवन डॉक्टर्स, मेडिकोज, इफ यू स्पीक अबाउट मॉडल्स, दोज पीपल हु आर इनटू डिफरेंट वर्क्स ऑफ लाइफ, जस्ट सिंपल बिजनेसमैन, even they are undergoing similar problems. Acne, pigmentation, uneven skin tone, sun damage, laxity of skin, lines and wrinkles. You know, these are the things which are very very common in everybody. At a certain age, अगर आप adolescence hit करते हो, like after the age of 18, 13 के बाद होता है, but 18 के बाद पकड़ेंगे, तो little adult acne we see. We see certain people, certain women post pregnancy, जिंदगी भर acne नहीं आया, जिंदगी भर they've had fabulous skin, flawless skin, undergo pregnancy, there's so much of hormonal change in the body, and they develop these concerns which they've never faced, but they develop it. Now this can happen to anybody who is exposed, which everybody is, to basic things like light and sunlight. उन्हें ये होगा. तो ये बहुत कॉमन सी चीज़ है जो सबको होती है. जो हेयर थिनिंग होती है या हेयर फॉल की कंसर्न होती है, हम इतने कॉमनली देख रहे हैं. पीपल आर ओपनली speaking about it. So many brands are, marketing themselves by, addressing these concerns कि ये तो बहुत ही कॉमन चीज़ है, सबको ही हो रही है. विटामिन D3 की डेफिशिएंसी है, आपका हेयर लॉस होगा. B12 की डेफिशिएंसी है, हेयर लॉस होगा. आप शूट कर रहे हो, आप एक्सटेंशंस लगाते हो, you will lose hair. You're constantly wearing something which is so heavy. It's pulling your hair down. It's getting entangled. You're going to have breakage. These things are very common. With what we're eating, we're seeing so much of adulteration in food these days, right? We feel that we're taking the right amount of nutrients. We're actually not, because the food is so adulterated in today's time कि ये चीज़ें होती हैं, and this is very common. We see it very commonly and we're addressing it. It's very treatable, very doable, and people have also understood it, and when we give results, they're happy.
Of course, because result oriented चीज़ ही है.
Absolutely.
People come with expectations, तो वो results तो होने ही चाहिए. तो of course आपने ये कुछ overall concerns बोले about some of the names.
जी.
Tell me about your first meeting with Jannat. She's a beautiful girl, nice young girl.
Yeah.
मेहनत करती है बहुत.
Yeah.
पहली बार जब आपसे मिली थी, what did she tell you and how did you उसको, क्योंकि आपके पास वो नॉलेज है इन टर्म्स ऑफ जस्ट सीइंग समबडी स्किन एंड हेयर कि वो कितना ख्याल रखती होगी अपनी चीज का या कौन नहीं ख्याल रखता, राइट? व्हाट वाज योर फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन ऑफ जन्नत? क्या कहा उसने आपको?
So Jannat's also a very dear friend of mine. So we know each other on a friendly level before we got introduced to each
Professionally.
other professionally. So I think my first interaction was more like she just asked me about very basic stuff with respect to skin, for skin maintenance, skin health. I remember at that point she was using a lot of makeup, constantly shooting. She's having basic acne breakouts.
This was how many years back or how many months back?
I think a year or a year and a half back. And at that point she just said कि acne हो रहा है and these are my concerns, and we'd not even met in the clinic or anything at that point. And with whatever understanding of her skin knowledge and medical history that I had, we just had this brief conversation. I just told her, I think these are the few things that you should start doing in terms of your routine and ritual before makeup, and I think this will help, because ये बहुत basic सी common सी चीज़ थी, and it worked for her, and she was good after that. So yeah, that was my first interaction. So acne is something वो किसी को भी हो सकता है. If you are, it's also associated to the weather, right? So at that point, that was my understanding, that it could just be that, or it could just be that your skin is just dehydrated and not at its best, it's not behaving, but you're in that age जो ये चीज़ें होगी, but they're treatable. And then उसका concern था that I'm wearing makeup, can I continue to? I was like, of course she can, possibly continue to wear makeup, and it will help her, and it did help her, and she's having great skin now. So yeah.
तो बेसिकली आपने उनको जब ट्रीटमेंट दिया, ट्रीटमेंट के साथ साथ she could continue with the usual life of makeup and everything.
Of course, absolutely. Nothing is so tedious.
Because there's also, this is also a शायद misconception कि अगर मेरी स्किन को लेके कुछ ट्रीटमेंट चल रहा है related to acne or pigmentation whatever, शायद मैं एक्सटर्नल चीजें like makeup and other things या शायद मैं नहीं लगा सकती. इसको लेके भी एक misconception है लोगों का.
Absolutely, ये बहुत बड़ा misconception है. As a doctor, I would always say कि अगर आप नहीं लगाओगे तो वो better है. But because even that is some sort of chemical on your skin. But I also understand that इससे तो life नहीं चलती है, and not specifically about any actor. This is even for us. I'm wearing makeup right now, right? Everybody has to, because this is part of your lifestyle and your routine. Any treatment that I do, or we as aesthetic physicians offer, has nothing to do with wearing makeup, doing the things that you do in in your routine life, working, those sort of exposures to light, screen time. If you're constantly in the office, you're working on screen, there are some peculiar signs that we pick up for those those people or those patients or those clients, because we understand. When I look at the face and I'm like, okay, I think you're really exposed to screen time, that's when we ask, what do you do? So then they said that this thing is there, but हम नहीं बोल सकते आप काम छोड़ दो.
Of course.
Yeah, we cannot tell them
Yeah.
कि आप you don't sit on the laptop or the computer and you don't work. So then we need to find a middle ground that how we as experts will work around their skin, their concerns, keeping in mind that this is their profession and this is what they need to do. So yes, you can wear makeup. Yes, you can get exposed to screen. Yes, you can go and have a nice beach holiday and bathe in the sun, though that's not the best thing to do. But they will do it.
Yeah.
So it's okay. Y'all can have fun. Y'all can do what is required, and we'll do what is required. As long as you're following the things that we guide, everything's okay.
Uh, of course, after your treatment, she must have felt a lot more confident because आपने उसका
I
जो
think
चीज
she
था.
is absolutely confident in her own skin.
नहीं
I
बट
would-
आई एम सेइंग दैट शायद जिस टाइम पे उनको वो एक्ने इश्यूज हो रहे
जी
थे
जी जी.
वो आपके पास मदद के लिए आई थी एंड
जी,
यू
जी.
हेल्प्ड हर विद द थिंग.
जी,
सो
जी.
बट जिस टाइम वो कंसर्न लेके आई थी आपको लगा कि यार ये लड़की इतनी टैलेंटेड है, अच्छी है, बट मे बी हर कॉन्फिडेंस इज टेकिंग अ बिट ऑफ अ हिट बिकॉज ऑफ दीज एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स जो आपने उनको रिवाइव करने में हेल्प किया इवेंचुअली.
Absolutely. Actually, I wouldn't say confidence exactly because एक ये क्या होता है ना जो मैंने starting में बोला awareness इतनी है ना that everybody knows ये बहुत normal है.
राइट.
राइट लाइक एक्ने ऐसी चीज़ है कि आज आ गई कल चली जाएगी. इफ़ वी ट्रीट इट करेक्टली, वी ट्रीट इट विद द राइट मेजर्स, ये ठीक होना ही है. एंड ये आई वुड नॉट स्पेसिफिकली इवन नेम एन एक्टर, आई वुड से anybody in today's time, they feel very confident about it. They come and tell us, they're like, okay doctor, this is the timeline. I know acne को time लगेगा treat करने के लिए, but अभी हम क्या कर सकते हैं कि थोड़ा फटाफट better हो जाए. ये सबकी requirement होती है.
बिकॉज द शूटिंग एंड रेगुलर वर्क के बीच में है.
रेगुलर वर्क, इवन कॉलेज गोइंग स्टूडेंट्स, थोड़ा यंगस्टर्स में ये देखा है कि उनका कॉन्फिडेंस काफ़ी हिलता है. दैट दे फील लाइक लोग हमें चिढ़ा रहे हैं. स्कूल में देखा है, आई हैव सीन पीपल हु आर लाइक 13 and 14 whose parents bring their
Yeah.
kids with these concerns. उन्हें काफ़ी अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट फील होता है बिकॉज देर इन स्कूल और दे जस्ट स्टार्टेड कॉलेज, दे वॉन्ट टू लुक अ सर्टन वे. आई मीन दे वुड से वी वॉन्ट टू लुक लाइक जन्नत, you know,
Because
and
they are the
then-
parameters for them.
Absolutely. They would want skin like her. They would want to look like her. They chase the beauty that she has because she's naturally so beautiful. At that point, कभी कभी आई डू सी कि उनका कॉन्फिडेंस थोड़ा सा शेक हुआ है. बट जिसे नॉलेज है कि ये चीज़ बहुत नॉर्मल है, आई डोंट थिंक कि कॉन्फिडेंस अफेक्ट होगा. यू गेट अ लिटिल बैफिल्ड, इरिटेटेड
Correct.
अबाउट द फैक्ट कि यार आई एम वेयरिंग मेकअप, आई नीड टू बी ऑन स्क्रीन, आई नीड टू डू अ सर्टेन थिंग. ये क्यों हो रहा है? यू आर कंसर्न्ड.
Right.
But when they see that ये क्योर भी हो रहा है, I think it's back to being absolutely okay. And I would like to tell everybody this, that skin is something. Don't let your confidence be shook even for a fraction of a second, because it is so doable. It is so treatable. You're going to get back to having great skin in very less time. And I feel that this has a lot to do with stress also.
Yeah.
So if you're stressing about the fact that this has happened and now it's going to get worse, it gets worse. So you need to believe that I'm going to the right person, that person's helping me, and I'm going to be fine. And you will be fine because you're doing what you're supposed to do. You're getting treated the way you need to get treated.
Correct.
And your skin is going to bounce back in no time. Just drink a little more water than normal. बहुत फर्क पड़ता है.
आई मस्ट हाईलाइट दिस फैक्ट दैट एलविश भाई के बारे में कहा जाता है कि एलविश भाई के सामने कौन बोल सकता है, बट देन आई थिंक एलविश भाई के सामने ये ज़रूर बोल सकती है बिकॉज एलविश भाई चाहते भी है कि वो ये बोले. इनफैक्ट आई वाज होस्टिंग एन अवार्ड शो ऑन 11th of June वेयर ही हैड वन एन अवार्ड एज वेल फॉर
Okay.
हिज, आई थिंक तो 10-15 मिनट का हमारा बात
जी,
हुआ.
जी,
बट
जी.
आई मीन ही इज़ वेरी लार्ज हार्टेड गाय मैं बोलूँगा जब
Amazing
मैं मिलता हूँ.
person.
बट हाउ डिड यू गेट टू मीट हिम? क्या उसने आपके साथ शेयर किया which where you felt that you kind of helped him transform his life in whatever little capacity that you can do, because वो अपने आप में बहुत अच्छा काम तो करता ही है, बट आपने कैसे contribute किया towards his betterment?
I would just say one thing. Elvish had no concerns. He
अच्छा.
didn't even know what his concern is.
अच्छा.
He just felt like, okay, this is something सब कर रहे हैं,
हाँ.
तो मुझे
मैं भी आ
कर-
जाता हूँ.
That's Elvish.
Correct.
And he's such a good listener. He understands things so nicely. You very rightly said that he has a heart which is larger than life. He really does. And he also knows that if somebody else has the expertise and he doesn't have the knowledge, if that person is saying that okay, this is what needs to be done and it's possibly better, he will trust you and he will believe in it and he will follow it the way it's supposed to be followed. He is not a person who would come and say कि मुझे इस चीज से problem है. He would just come कि you know
Yeah.
what, now I think this is something that I need to address. मुझे भी
Correct.
करना चाहिए,
Correct.
मुझे भी find out करना चाहिए.
Yeah.
And आपको जो लगता है आप बताइए and मुझे जो करना है मैं करूँगा. So he's that kind of a person and it's amazing. It's amazing to work with him also. It's amazing to see him around. It's amazing to talk to him. He's very shant
Yeah.
as a person. He's very shant and he lets the person on the opposite end do their job. And I've seen that. I've noticed that about him, which is very good. So many people feel they know too much. And if you know, if you are accepting of the fact that you're not aware of, you know, certain things, and I'm like that as a person as well, right? If there's an area of expertise for you, I would want to trust you because you know more than me.
Of course, जो जिसका
He's
काम
that-
है उसको वो भरोसा करो आप.
Absolutely. And Elvish वैसा है. As a person भी है. So he's wonderful. He's just amazing. Everybody wants patience like Elvish.
तो वो जब आपके पास आया,
जी.
वो जब बैठा,
जी.
फ्रॉम अ कॉस्मेटोलॉजिस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, जिसको स्किन एंड हेयर का इतना नॉलेज है,
जी.
एल्विश को देख के, उसके स्किन को देख के, उसके हेयर को देख के, आपका फर्स्ट पीओवी क्या था जो आपने उसको बताया?
My first point of view was that he had good skin, he had good hair, he was very well maintained, and I don't even, you know, possibly think that there was any major concern whatsoever. Definitely, because he has good skin, that skin needs to be maintained. So for maintenance, you know, a regime of what to apply on the face is very essential. How we can take care, because of course he's shooting long hours. He again has a lot of light exposure, a lot of makeup exposure. You know, when you're shooting, he was telling me you're shooting for After Chef, तो रात भर तक shoots चल रहे हैं, तो next day आप थोड़े tired लगते हो. So what are the things, the supplements that you need to take? So I did tell him that, you know, this is the collagen, this is the vitamin C. You can introduce these things in your routine, you know, and this will possibly give you that little energy, that boost. वो skin में थोड़ी और जान डालेंगे, and we're you know, like preparing your skin for all the adversities. क्योंकि आप तो मेकअप लगाओगे, आप एक्सपोज तो होगे, तो अगर हम ये सारी चीज़ें इंटरनली अगर हमारे बॉडी पे हम काम करेंगे, हेल्थ वाइज, स्किन हेल्थ वाइज, ऑटोमेटिकली जो कंसर्न्स डेवलप होने हैं वो नहीं होंगी. So it was more preventative for him, and he took good opinions and he stuck to it. So now he is taking the right supplements, applying the right creams, and yeah, I'm one call away whenever he has, you know, any
issue.
concern, and he would just quickly ask, and I'll be like, "ये कर लो," and it's pretty sorted. So.
बट ये जो आपने चीज बोला, इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, कोलाजन
जी.
एंड अदर इंपॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट्स,
जी.
लाइक, राइट? तो उसके लिए तो जब आपने उसको गाइड किया, यू सेड दैट यू कॉन्स्टेंटली शूटिंग फॉर लाफ्टर शेफ, कोलाजन के लिए मे बी आप ये सप्लीमेंट्स यूज करो अलॉन्ग साइड मेडिकेशन एक्सेट्रा, बट क्या ये सब चीज़ों का कभी कभी साइड इफेक्ट भी हो सकता है? एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट एल्विश, एनीबॉडी.
Yeah.
Side effects होते हैं ऐसे
not
medication
really,
का?
because the firstly we're supplementing the body with things that has depleted in your body because you're aging, because of your lifestyle. So these
But those
things,
are tablets itself,
it is
right?
tablets.
हाँ,
So
हाँ.
it comes in powder form, it comes in a tablet form, based on how the comfort of the client is.
Correct.
We recommend as well as the requirement. Now collagen is many a times non-vegetarian also. Many people say I'm vegetarian, and so then we kind of give you those kind of supplements.
तो उसमें भी आपको सोचना पड़ता है.
Absolutely. सोचना पड़ता है, देना पड़ता है, and taking these supplements, we've not seen any active side effect. Certain things like glutathione, collagen, कभी थोड़ा nausea feel होता है if you're taking it on empty stomach. So if they, you know, if they come and they say कि, you know, थोड़ा nausea feel हो रहा है, then we'll say, you know, have a good meal, combine it with possibly a little vitamin C or a juice. If you're used to taking black coffee, आप उसमें एक scoop डाल के पी लो. So that will help overall with your skin, hair, nails. Now, many celebrities, they're constantly working out. Because they're working out, they're also on diets in which their carb intake is very low, right? जिन लोगों का carbohydrate intake लो होता है, उनका प्रोटीन इंटेक भी काफ़ी हद तक, दे से दैट, यू नो, वी आर सप्लीमेंटिंग विद इनफ प्रोटीन, बट इट्स नॉट इनफ in terms of what is required for your hair. So आप जब बहुत strict diet पे होते हो, आप weight loss कर रहे हो, you're also shedding essential muscle, you're shedding even the vitamins that your body really
Correct.
requires. While you're shedding those things, you will lose hair, your skin will start getting dehydrated, dry. That is a time when we are possibly helping them with these sort of right supplements, and it just prevents it from getting worse. It will happen, but we would just say that अब ये चीज़ें कर लो तो ये थोड़ा better हो जाएगा, and if not then आप clinic आ जाओ, we will do certain treatments जिससे ये चीज़ हम या तो रोक देंगे या better कर देंगे.
But आपका जो medication and guidance था for Elvish, was that just for the skin or was it a blend of good skin and good hair?
It's an overall well-being. Whenever we're talking about collagen, it's not because he requires it or somebody requires it, but as a doctor, I will
Like you said, it's a
give-
preventative measure.
Yes, I will always give something that will work on overall well-being. So whenever Elvish or anybody who comes to the clinic, right, if I am recommending something, it's going to be something beyond what that person knows. Only
course.
then I'm an expert.
Yeah, बिल्कुल.
Right?
तभी आपके पास आए वो, right? For that expert
Absolutely. So
opinion.
I will, whatever knowledge I have, whatever I can help in, whatever I can save because I know this can get worse in the future, I'm trying to treat that beforehand only. So I'm going to be working on all aspects of the skin, the hair, the body overall. Also rejuvenation, because I understand the lifestyle, I understand the stress, the trauma the body keeps undergoing because of long working hours, and we work on everything in a very holistic way. We will cover everything together.
So that's how उनके पास भी वो faith जो faith लेके आते हैं वो और ज़्यादा restore होते हैं over a period of time because they get results, right?
Yes.
Tell me about one experience. I mean, you can choose to not name the person, but कभी कोई ऐसा जहाँ पे you literally saw somebody and you were like यार maybe pathetic hair quality या फिर pathetic skin quality, but the person is not even very conscious about it. तो आपको actively जाके उनको शायद कुछ suggestion देना पड़ा या recommend करे.
Definitely होता है, बहुत बार होता है that we see it as a concern and the person doesn't, and it's absolutely okay. If it's my main job is कि मैं आपको बताऊं कि ये चीज़ हम better कर सकते हैं. ये आपके ऊपर है. If you want to make it better or you don't want.
Of course, you can only recommend.
We can
It's for
only
them to
recommend.
implement.
We can counsel. We can educate. I believe in it. I believe in education, and I feel then the person sitting on the opposite side will only tell us, okay, this is my concern. So whenever I'm speaking, I believe in counseling the client, telling them that, you know what, you're looking great, but this is what I feel. I do not want to put you down. I do not want to, mark your faults, or if you're so confident in your skin, try to make you underconfident about it. But I can just educate you that if this is what you can do and look slightly better, or your skin can get slightly better, this is what we can achieve. If you feel you want that, you can. If you don't feel and you're happy in your own skin, might as well stick to it. Not a problem at all.
आशना, मुझे थोड़ा very pertinent topic in today's time on internet, Botox, fillers, etc.
I love it.
I know that you love. I can see that from the glow on your face after I talk about this. But a lot of celebrities, etc. मैं क्योंकि हम entertainment industry के बारे में centric ज़्यादा बात कर रहे हैं. A lot of actors, artists, I know for a fact they do it. But why are they so not very open to accepting it बाहर कि हमने नहीं करा है? Because मैं बहुत इंस्टेंसेस देखता हूँ जहाँ पे मैं शायद किसी का शक्ल, द अलाइनमेंट ऑफ द नोज, भले मैं डॉक्टर नहीं हूँ, द अलाइनमेंट ऑफ द जॉ देख के मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि यार कुछ तो काम हुआ है. वाई इज इट दैट ये जो एक्टर्स है, ये सेलेब्स है, ये करवाते हैं ऐसा जस्ट फॉर देयर एनहांसमेंट, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू एक्सेप्टिंग इट दे डोंट वांट टू एक्सेप्ट? क्या लगता है आपको?
मुझे लगता है ये ठीक है. I mean, it'll go against me because it's, against my profession कि मैं किसी को बोल रही हूँ कि ये चीज़ आप मत बोलो. But it's not only about actors. I have patients where two people from the same family come to me. The wife doesn't want to tell the husband that they're doing something. The husband doesn't want to tell the wife that they're doing something. And I feel it's absolutely
family?
okay. Same family.
And the husband and the wife, they don't know that both of them are the same doctor.
No, they know they have the same doctor, but they want to keep it confidential. They come at different times and they do the things. As celebrities, I feel they're already under a lot of pressure. People are looking up to them, like we spoke about, unrealistic beauty standards. They are looked up upon. That's their bread and butter for their looks. Right?
Correct.
Everybody in today's generation, they love how certain actors look, and they fancy them, that they look a certain way. And I feel it's not wrong in taking pride and just saying that this is how I look, because they know it's part of their profession and their job. If somebody is saying मुझे आपकी तरह दिखना है, they would not want to tell that person कि मैंने ये सब किया हुआ है, आप भी जाके कर लो तो आप मेरे तरह दिखोगे. It's part of their profession, and it's absolutely a personal choice if they want to let it out. And I feel that should be respected and valued. There are many celebrities who are coming out in the open and also speaking about certain things that they do. But that is how they see their life. That is how they want to be open about to their fans, to the people who look up to them. And then there are so many other people who want people to believe that they look a certain way. And I feel that's not wrong. It's absolutely okay, because it should be someone's personal choice to let out the fact that they look a certain way because they're doing something, or because it's genetically how they are looking. Also, I'll tell you one thing about actors. We as doctors play a very important role, but we can do only 20%. They live an amazing life. They eat the right things. They sacrifice so many late nights to have the skin, have the hair, and have the features that they actually possess. They are, doing everything possible in their capacity, because they know that if they look a certain way, that's where that look is going to take them to a certain height in life, which is required. So it's not easy to be them. And it's absolutely okay if they are not willing to speak about it, and if they are wanting people to believe, because it's also their hard work. It's not easy. आज आप डॉक्टर के पास महीने में 1 बार आओगे, 2 बार आओगे. जो आप बाकी 28 days in a month कर रहे हो, that's on you.
Correct.
And that's where you're actually taking care of yourself. You're actually making those sacrifices which possibly you and I wouldn't make. Our friends call us, we're like, okay, come on, we need to go out, let's go. Let's go. They would say, no, we need to be on screen. Let's not go. I don't want to eat outside. I will not drink. I'm not going to, smoke. I will not do any sort of substance abuse, because that's going to make my skin look dehydrated. I want to have shiny, glowy skin. We're just helping them make it slightly better. We cannot transform what they really have. And that is the dedication, that is the determination which I have seen in so many celebrities. They follow the prescription to the T. If I tell them sunscreen 2 बार लगाना है, they'll take that extra effort of removing their makeup and applying sunscreen twice, which even I don't do. So many a times.
Yeah.
Right? And they do that because they know the value of what they're having. They know the value of where they want to see themselves and what they want people to perceive of them. तो ठीक है, अगर उन्हें नहीं बात करना है, वो absolutely okay. And I फील कि ये सबकी इंडिविजुअल चॉइस होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि वो लोग पब्लिक आई में है, दे आर ऑलवेज स्क्रूटनाइज्ड. उसके वजह से उनके ऊपर ये प्रेशर है कि दे शुड कम आउट सो क्लीन कि सब बता दे. नॉट नेसेसरी.
मुझे एक और चीज़ बताइए प्लीज़ कि देयर इज़ अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग कॉन्वर्सेशन ऑन सोशल मीडिया अबाउट बोटॉक्स फिलर्स के साथ. देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड ओजेम्पिक
जी,
इंजेक्शन वगैरह एक्सेट्रा. अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ premature deaths, heart attacks, heart rates, fluctuating left, right and center, etc. There is a क्षेत्र of people who feel कि because हम लोग ये additional चीज़ें करवाते हैं कभी कभी, ये सब के side effects या after effects में ऐसे ऐसे चीज़ें हो सकते हैं. So you coming from the doctor's point of view with all the knowledge on earth, please बताइए कि is it possible in the most remote cases या फिर completely impossible ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता?
नहीं नहीं, इम्पॉसिबल तो कुछ नहीं है, बट वेन एवर यू टेकिंग समथिंग लाइक एन ओजेम्पिक और मंजारो और एनी ऑफ दीज वेट लॉस इंजेक्शन XYZ, a very important aspect for every person is their medical history, their existing medical conditions, and the let's say the presence of an expert. The combination of both will always work well. What happens is because of social media, क्या हो गया, किसी ने वेट लॉस कर लिया ओजेम्पिक लेके तो सबको वही करना है, बट उसके पैनक्रियास ठीक थे, शायद आपके नहीं है, राइट? उसका अगर आप कंप्लीट ब्लड प्रोफाइल देख लो, जो हम लोग CBC ब्लड टेस्ट बोलते हैं आपका, राइट? वो कॉम्पोजिशन उसका शायद सही होगा, आपका नहीं होगा. सो मे बी यू आर नॉट द आइडियल कैंडिडेट टू टेक इट. Where do these things happen is when people are trying to bridge the gap between an expert and actually what is required, to just chasing something because they feel it's a beauty trend. Right? Now everybody wants to lose weight, everybody wants to look great, but don't become a doctor yourself.
खुद से मत बनो.
खुद से मत बनो. आप एक एक्सपर्ट के पास जाओ, आपका कंसर्न लेके जाओ. अगर उन्हें लगता है कि आप एक आइडियल कैंडिडेट हो, कि ये चीज़ आपको बेनिफिट करेगी, दे विल गाइड यू थ्रू द प्रोसेस. डू दैट. डोंट थिंक दैट यू कैन टेक थिंग्स इनटू योर हैंड एंड गो अहेड एंड डू इट. These sort of drugs have a direct effect on pancreas. There is a set of blood tests that we get done before we administer these drugs to anybody. They were ideally supposed to be taken by diabetics, but this got a little abused, and they're giving great results. Sometimes, with a lot of weight loss, people who are going to develop arthritis, that stops. Because their weight is going down. जो sugar का intake होता है वो reduce हो जाता है. But there's also a lot of muscle loss. So a composite affair of an expert who can, possibly administer this drug, number one. Their team, because they'll also have a dietitian, a nutritionist on board. They will give you some medications with it. Like, the day you take the shot of an Ozempic or a Mounjaro, you'll have severe, acidity. You might feel a lot of nausea. Some people also experience motions. These are the few things that you will experience based on the dosage. So that symptomatic treatment is also very important. You have to manage the patient very rightly. And ये management के लिए having the right set of people on board is very essential. So when we
Very
read,
rightly said.
Yeah, so when we read about these things कि ये हो गया, ये इसलिए हुआ because you did not choose to act correctly. Either you just want something which is very quick, you do not want to work hard. They will be okay with increasing the dose of Mounjaro, but they will not walk 30 minutes a day.
ये तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. I
Right?
agree.
Now in that case, nobody can do any magic. What you have to do, you have to do. And you need to have an understanding that, after you stop it also, you will gain your weight back. So you have to maintain it, you have to eat right, you need to have the right guidance of the dosage, how you need to administer the drug, and along with that, do it if it's working for you. If not, if they are telling you this is not for you, stop there. Right? अगर आपने आपके टेस्ट रूटीनली कराए, आपके पास राइट टीम ऑफ डॉक्टर्स ऑन बोर्ड है, राइट गाइडेंस है, nothing will go wrong.
I think very rightly said. It's at the end of the day, permutation combination of a lot of things
A
that
lot
fall
of
into place
things.
together. So वो थाली प्रॉपर जब हर एक चीज बैठता है तब जाके वो थाली
मेडिकल
कंप्लीट होता है.
हिस्ट्री से बढ़कर कुछ नहीं है.
I think
ना ही बुक है.
ना ही बुक है.
बिकॉज
Yeah.
जब कोई हमारे सामने बैठता है, जब हम उनसे बात करते हैं, एवरी केस इज डिफरेंट. Every case is different. You cannot have the same case, repeating with people. बहुत चीज़ें सिमिलर हो सकती है, बट एक जो आपका पर्टिकुलर मेडिकल हिस्ट्री है, जो आपके रिकॉर्ड्स है, वो किसी और से मैच नहीं करेंगे. तो जो उनके लिए राइट है, मे बी इट्स नॉट राइट फॉर यू, और जो आपके लिए राइट है, इज नॉट राइट
Not
फॉर
right for
देम.
them. So uniquely मैनेज करके उस चीज को उस हिसाब से ट्रीट करना.
एब्सोल्युटली.
मुझे कोई ऐसा किस्सा बताइए जहाँ पे मे बी an A-lister or whatever etc. Of course they don't want to reveal themselves.
Yeah.
उन्होंने बहुत secretly आपके पास आए, they got in touch directly or via their manager एंड देयर लाइक कि आशना मेरी ये प्रॉब्लम्स है, आप मुझे हेल्प करो, बट मैं बिल्कुल भी रिमोटली भी नहीं दिखना चाहती आपके स्टूडियो के अराउंड या फिर आपके स्पेस के अराउंड, आप भी कभी भी मत जिक्र करना कि आप मेरे डॉक्टर हो एक्सेट्रा, ऐसे भी जैसे विद एलविस, जन्नत एक्सेट्रा, इट्स अ वेरी ओपन थिंग, दे आर ऑल्सो वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट, राइट, बट नॉट एवरीबडी इज दैट ट्रांसपेरेंट. तो वैसे भी ए लिस्टर्स वगैरह आते हैं आपके पास,
जरूर
क्या
आते
कहते
हैं.
हैं आपको?
मैंने कुछ लोगों के ट्रीटमेंट मेरे घर में किए हैं.
Okay.
Yeah,
So you have
because they
got a
don't want to.
specific setup at home just because of this purpose.
Not entirely, but there was a brief time between my last working space and me opening my clinic aesthetic, and during that phase, movies don't stop. Your shoots don't stop. What is essential to happen has to happen. That was the time I was treating a lot of patients at my house. I created a small space and I was doing it. I keep the clinic on till 12 a.m. in the night sometimes because they do not want to be papped and they want to come in at those times that they are not very out there and not very visible. So there are few tweakments that we also have to do if it's an A-lister, if it's a person who doesn't want to be spotted and they want to come in times that people don't know the clinic is not as functional at that point. Other patients are not around. We do that and it's absolutely okay. It's part of my profession and ये बहुत होता है. तो करना पड़ता है. We keep it on. We make those few arrangements for the comfort of the client and we're able to deliver.
तो कोई ऐसा ए लिस्टर का ट्रीटमेंट के बारे में बताइए विदाउट टेकिंग द नेम, बिकॉज आई नो एज अ पार्ट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी क्लॉज आप नहीं ले सकते, बट ट्रीटमेंट के बारे में कुछ बताइए विच इज़ वेरी स्पेशल टू यू, बिकॉज शायद बहुत ही ग्रेव कंसर्न था, बट एज अ डॉक्टर यू फेल्ट वेरी फुलफिल्ड कि यार एज अ प्रोफेशनल आपको बहुत सेटिस्फैक्शन मिला कि ये इंसान है, ही और शी इज सो वेल नोन, एंड मैंने इनका एक बहुत ही ग्रेव कंसर्न मैंने सॉल्व किया थ्रू माई एक्सपर्टीज, राइट? टेल मी सम स्टोरीज ना.
One story which I'm very proud of is I've changed a few faces based on their roles. Like if you want to play a very young character, your jawline has to be slightly more weak.
Correct.
You need to look a little more softer on screen, a little more babyish. And then cut to you're playing a character which is very mature and which has to be out there. You should have few lines visible. So you need a more box face. So I have tweaked jawlines based on that. So all the jawlines that we see on screen in certain spaces, they're not always natural. That's how we create it, how we want that particular person to emote their character on screen. And based on that, we work on the face. Because if you are going to or wanting to or willing to or have to look like a mature 35-year-old, 40-year-old man on screen, even though you're not that age, you will need the presence of few features which make you look much more mature on screen. Your cheekbones have to be slightly higher. Your face structure has to be more sculpted, more sharper. That makes you look more serious on screen. That is the time where our role comes into the picture, where we are creating those things that are helping our client look the way they want to look on screen. Simultaneously, when they want to look a little more softer or younger, that you have crossed the age of 35 but you want to play a character where you're like just out of college or 28 or a 29-year-old, then we need to soften the features. So we will play with a little bit of Botox on your upper forehead so that you're not going to have a lot of lines while you're emoting. We will soften your chin portion and make you look slightly more soft on screen and more boyish comparatively to a more manly appearance. Similarly for women, right? Like sometimes we need to kind of give them a very whitewashed look in which too much of lines and wrinkles and these things are not happening. You're more lifted, a little bit of lip filler, because when you are slightly more younger, your lips will be slightly more thicker in dimension. When you age after the age of 32, the lips start moving inwards. So when you're smiling, your smile will not have that much prominence in the lip shape, which makes you look older on screen because camera will catch these things. That is the time we'll work on a little bit of height. So the ratio between your nose and your lip, I will work on that area to give you that height so that when you are on screen, you look little more girlish, little more younger on screen. So these are the few tweakments that we do. which helps. And having the understanding of this is very, very important. I was fortunate that at a very young age I started working with these celebrities, so I've developed few skills over a period of time, because कर करके समझ आता है कि ये चीज़ें अगर ऐसी दिखती है स्क्रीन पे, also because you look a little more larger when you're on camera.
Yeah, it adds a few pounds to your.
Yeah, it adds, we say 3 kgs कि आपका फेस heavier लगता है. तो अगर आप रियलिटी में उनको देखोगे तो they're very, very tiny, they're very chiseled, they're very soft, but on screen they look really big. Now in that time, if I'm working on somebody who doesn't have to be on screen, it's easy, because the screen, the camera will catch everything. So good work is the work that cannot be caught.
Absolutely.
You know, where you cannot tell कि इसने कुछ करवाया है. You can only say she's looking beautiful. That's what we chase. That, you know, when people are looking at you on camera, they're just saying she's looking so nice. I want to look like her. I want to look as fresh as her. And she's looking different. यार पहले तो ऐसे दिखती थी, पहले तो ये दिख रहा था, but अभी ये नहीं दिख रहा है. तो कुछ तो किया होगा, but क्या किया है नहीं पता.
बता ही नहीं सकता कोई.
बता ही नहीं सकता. तो वही अच्छा काम है, और वही वैसा काम है जो मैं चाहती हूँ.
Absolutely.
या कि मैं वो करूँ एंड किसी को समझे नहीं कि वो किया गया है. एंड अगर आप ये अचीव कर सकते हो फॉर पीपल हु आर ऑन कैमरा, डेफिनेटली ऑल द अदर पीपल हु डू नॉट हैव टू फेस द कैमरा गोइंग टू बी वेरी हैप्पी, because for them they're just going to be seeing by the naked eye, you know, that how
Correct.
your face is perceived when I'm looking at you, or when you're looking at me. So in that case, we're not going to be scrutinizing your features,
Correct.
which the camera really
Will.
scrutinizes. So they're anyways going to be happy. So I work on that skill. You know, mastering that, and once I'm able to create that, then it's amazing.
क्या
It makes
बात
me
है.
happy.
It's like weaving your magic through your hands.
Absolutely.
चलो ये तो कुछ अच्छे वाले इंस्टेंसेस हो गए. कभी ऐसा हुआ वेयर नो मैटर यू हैव गिवन योर बेस्ट शॉट, बट से सामने वाला इज अ लिटिल प्रॉब्लमैटिक, कुछ भी तरीके से खुश उसको होना ही नहीं है, एंड देन मे बी ही और शी ट्राइज टू पुट द ब्लेम ऑन यू इफ समथिंग गोज रॉन्ग. ऐसे भी किस्से हुए?
होते हैं, कभी कभी होते हैं. आई हैव नॉट हैड टू मैनी, बट आई हैव हैड अ फ्यू वेयर you know, you can do whatever in your capacity, but the person is not satisfied. And I also understand, because medical is a science, no, it cannot be predicted. It can, a certain thing, like I said, every case is different. You would do something to deliver the best, but possibly that particular product is not working in the best possible way for the person, because of the person's body behaving a certain way. So no matter what you can do, you will do, it's not going to get solved. So that is the case where we resort to other things to try and satisfy as much as we could. But कभी कभी there is you know, a case that you're not happy, कितना भी कर रहे हैं नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है, and they feel कि जैसे हम पहले दिखते थे वो हमारे लिए बेटर था, एंड यू नो हमें ऐसे लगा कि हम ये कर लेंगे तो बेटर लगेंगे, बट नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है. तो वो होता है. तो उसमें दो चीज़ें होती हैं, या तो हम लोग यू नो कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते हैं कि ये रिजॉल्व हो जाए और सामने वाला खुश हो जाए, बिकॉज फेस ऐसी चीज़ है ना, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी ओके इफ यू आर नॉट सैटिस्फाइड विद इट. इवन आई विल नॉट बी हैप्पी.
100%.
इट्स वेरी डिस्टर्बिंग फॉर मी ऑल्सो if somebody tells me that I'm not happy with however I'm looking, or you know, something. But there is a limitation that sometimes certain things behave differently in certain people. It's not because it's done wrongly, it's not because we predicted it to happen that way. It just happened, and you cannot help it. Good thing, or the best thing is, I as a practitioner know how to resolve it. So if you're not happy, it's absolutely okay. We'll take you back to how you looked, number one. If not, we'll make it better. So I personally feel that having the knowledge of how to resolve something that goes wrong is very important, because then if you're able to resolve it, you are also satisfied, they are also satisfied.
It's
So
like
this
damage
happens.
control आना चाहिए.
आना चाहिए, because medical ऐसा चीज़ है ना, आप कर तो दोगे, कुछ अगर गलत हो गया किसी से भी, तो you would, अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है उस चीज़ को मुझे ठीक कैसे करना है, then
तो
you
और
will be
खराब.
stuck. Yeah, then you will be stuck. So I know I can kind of fix it. I'm also still learning, you know, every case is different. So there are so many things that I feel that I need to read so much about, because this is so new. This is not by the book. The face has not presented itself the way we thought it would. So now what? but then you understand and you keep practicing, and then you learn how to fix things, and it comes with time. So I feel this is something that I have to learn for the rest of my life, because every phase that I'm going to do or work on is going to be so different. I can't predict. I would want to do my best. कभी कभी अगर the person is not happy, we will try and do whatever is in our capacity to make him or her happy. So that's okay.
Let me bounce off a very surprise question for you, which I'm sure you're not expecting. वो ये है कि कुछ ऐसे मेल सेलिब्रिटीज़ जो होते हैं, मे बी देयर इन अ रिलेशनशिप और देयर मैरिड एक्सेट्रा, बट आप उनके लिए एज अ कंसल्टेंट डॉक्टर हो, बियॉन्ड जस्ट द प्रोफेशनल बाउंड्रीज, डू दे ट्राई टू क्रिएट एनी रिलेशनशिप, फ्लर्ट वगैरह करते हैं आपके साथ कभी कभी?
नहीं, आई हैव नॉट हैड दैट एक्सपीरियंस सो फार. I feel that at least I feel I'm very fortunate. Reason being, जितने मेरे clientele है या celebrities है, वो लोग also मेरे दोस्त हैं. उनकी wives भी मेरी friends हैं. उनके अगर कोई girlfriends होंगे, वो लोग भी friends हैं. एक बहुत ही respectable boundary है जो वो लोग भी maintain करते हैं. And I feel that's amazing. So when there is friendship, there's understanding and there's respect. ये सारी चीज़ें कभी नहीं होती. I have had no such experience so far, and I'm so proud of it, because I understand that the people who are even coming to me are valuing me for my work,
बिल्कुल.
which is very important. So I have not had these instances, and I have not faced any such thing with anybody. If they are my friends, so definitely not because they are my friends. So if they are not my friends and we're only having a very professional relationship, they know that this is a boundary that shouldn't be crossed, and it's very well maintained.
All right, I'll take that for an answer. मुझे कुछ चीज़ें बताइए जो शायद एक एस्पायरिंग एक्टर या फिर एक एस्पायरिंग एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री प्रोफेशनल, राइट, व्हाट आर सम ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट दे, जब आपके पास आते हैं वो लोग, बिकॉज उनके लिए ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड्स आर दोज एक्टर्स एंड एक्ट्रेसेस जिनको वो ऑन स्क्रीन देखते हैं, राइट? एंड आई एम श्योर व्हेन यू एडुकेट देम, द यंग वंस, आप उनको शायद रियल लाइफ इंस्टेंसेस एंड एग्जांपल्स बताते हो कि जो आप शायद देखते हो वो ऐसा नहीं है, सो मे बी यू शुड चेंज द वे यू थिंक. तो व्हाट डू दे से? वो एकदम कंप्लीटली सरप्राइज्ड होते हैं व्हेन दे एक्चुअली गेट टू नो कि वो जो जॉ लाइन मैंने देखा था उस इंसान का, वो उसका ओरिजिनल जॉ लाइन नहीं है, वो ऐसे बनाया गया है. So what is the kind of surprise that they feel or get?
I think जितना भी, जैसे मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, मुझे उनसे भी वैसे ही बात करना है. I cannot disclose few things about certain people or certain faces, because we maintain that confidentiality whenever we are working. We have a lot of cases which we where we are taking consent from our patients, that can we use your pictures to show it to other people, explain certain things. जब वो consent रहता है, photography consent रहता है, कभी कभी social media पे हम post करते हैं तो हम consent लेते हैं कि हम ये डाल रहे हैं, are you okay with it? They are okay with it, then we definitely explain. Whenever they're chasing a particular standard, they say हमें ऐसे दिखना है, they come with that mindset only कि कुछ करना पड़ेगा. ये उनको बताना नहीं पड़ता है कि इनका भी किया हुआ है. I'll tell you why, because they want to look like that. They know they are not looking like that. So they definitely already know that they have to do something to look like so and so person. So there's no difficulty in communicating that, or letting them know कि ये ऐसे नहीं दिखता था, ये ऐसे दिखता था. उनको वो जानना ही नहीं है. They're not interested to know that why so and so person looking that way. The only thing they're interested in, that we want to look like this. So that's where our role comes in. I have to tell them and break it to them, which is not a very happy position for them, that they cannot look like them. I cannot make someone look like somebody. Your features are your features. Someone else's feature is their feature. We cannot chase that. Can we make you look like a better version of you? Yes.
Yourself.
Yes.
वो focus होना चाहिए.
Yes. You look like a certain way. You feel that this is something that's bothering you. This is a problem. You want to fix it. We will fix it. But you will continue to look like you. You cannot look like somebody else, and that is what we can also offer and deliver. If there is anybody who's a doctor, an injector, and somebody who's out there in this profession like I am, and is telling you कि मैं आपको इसकी तरह बना दूंगी, वो आपसे झूठ बोल रहा है.
Yes.
आप ये नहीं कर सकते हो. आप वैसे ही लगोगे जैसे आप हो. आप जैसे दिखते हो उससे आप थोड़े बेटर लग सकते हो, एंड दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ऐसे मैजिक नहीं होता. You will have to maintain it. It has to be done over a period of time with few steps. पहले थोड़ा, फिर थोड़ा, फिर थोड़ा. Then you start looking better and better and better. Because your skin is naturally stimulating collagen, elastin fibers, those things that have already depleted in your face.
Yes.
And you have to give your skin that regeneration time. Only then you will look rejuvenated. It is not something that could happen overnight. If I do a treatment on you today, you will look 40 to 50% better than what you are looking. If you feel that you're not looking your best and you want to, kind of bring
Correct.
about some change in your skin or your face, we can do that change. But you will look your best after 1.5 years.
So that's the period cycle.
That's the period. Like 3 महीने बाद थोड़ा better लगेगा, 6 months बाद even better लगेगा, 9 months बाद even better लगेगा, 1.5 साल बाद वो आपका face बन गया है. क्योंकि जहाँ जहाँ मैंने जो product डाला है वो feature create करने के लिए, वहाँ पर naturally कोलाजन स्टिमुलेट हुआ है कि अभी वो प्रोडक्ट की उधर प्रेजेंस नहीं है, बट आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट वो प्रोडक्ट की खत्म हो गई. So when we create a jawline or we work on certain features like an under eye or a little bit of lift, the amount of product I'm using in the first time, I may not require the same amount on that particular space when I'm injecting that person for the second time.
Because it's already developing and the
It's
growth
developing
is
because normally there's a bony prominence here which is depleted. Now I need to lift it. So I'm giving a support. I've created that support. Now जहाँ bone पहले कम हो गया था, वहाँ पर एक support structure है जिस पे आपका muscle, आपका fat, आपका skin, सारे tissues बैठे हैं. तो उधर naturally बहुत collagen stimulation हो रहा है. तो next time क्या मुझे उधर ही उतना product लगेगा? नहीं लगेगा, क्योंकि वहाँ पर हमने ऑलरेडी वो चीज़ स्टिमुलेट नेचुरली कर दी है और अभी आपका फीचर ऐसा हो गया है. देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल, दे लुक्ड अ सर्टेन वे एट द एज ऑफ 40. वी मेड देम लुक स्लाइटली, लेट्स से टेक अवे 5 years फ्रॉम देयर एज. 40 पे हम ऐसे दिखते थे, अभी 40 पे हम 35 के लग रहे हैं. एट 45 दे आर लुकिंग बेटर देन व्हाट दे लुक्ड एट 40 और इवन 35. And that's because they've been consistent, they're doing the right things, and they're looking better. I was seeing a post on Instagram, I don't even remember the faces because I'm not a very big Hollywood sort of a person, but so many celebrities, they, even though they've aged, they're looking so much more better than how they used to look when they were younger. Because when they started doing these treatments, they're aging so gracefully that their skin is automatically producing those things that their skin was depleted of when they started doing these procedures. And even though they're 10 years older, they're looking so much more fresher, so much more younger, and their requirement to these these procedures have also reduced. जरूरत ही नहीं है क्योंकि हम लोग ने right time पे react किया था.
आई थिंक बहुत कुछ बिहाइंड द सीन्स का जो नॉलेज है इनसाइट से वो यहाँ पे मिला बाय टॉकिंग टू यू. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स सच अ वास्ट सब्जेक्ट दैट आप बात करते रह ही सकते हो. इवन 3 hours 5 hours कैन बी आई थिंक नॉट एनफ, बट आई थिंक as per now we can limit the conversation till this much because I'm sure कि whatever that she has shared, आप लोगों को उस चीज़ से काफ़ी वैल्यू मिला होगा, काफ़ी रियल लाइफ नॉलेज मिला होगा कि what is right, what is perhaps not right, क्या प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स होने चाहिए, क्या एक्चुअली करना चाहिए, what might be good for someone else might not be good for you. वो जो रियल लाइफ नॉलेज है coming from an expert herself, I think it has definitely helped you. And whatever you feel about the podcast, share your thoughts in the comment section below, and do engage with all the YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, whatever that you see. And in order to get in touch with you, I mean, how do people get in touch with you? If you can also share that.
Yeah, absolutely, through our website, number one. So my clinic's name is Aesthetique. They can also reach out to us through Instagram. The numbers are up on the website. They're up on Google. Our clinic is situated in Bandra Khar, and it's a beautiful space, and whenever somebody wants to come and visit, they'll find me there. And yeah, that's about it.
Absolutely. So I'm sure this podcast has definitely added value. And अगर आपको भी लगता है कि you need certain guidance or reference points from the expert herself, please feel free to visit her. Get in touch with her on Instagram or visit her, I would say, clinic in Bandra, like she mentioned. And most importantly, मेरा show देखते रहिए, and I'll keep bringing these interesting conversations for you in the future as well. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you very soon.